In the security industry, fear is a powerful sales tool. Products are often marketed using tactics that exploit deep-seated fears. Companies use risk framing to create a sense of urgency and uncertainty. This can lead to consumers making uninformed purchasing decisions quickly. Recurring fees and subscription models can generate significant revenue. However, the true effectiveness of these products is often unclear. Evidence supporting their claims may be lacking or misleading. Informed comparison and critical evaluation are essential for consumers. A dark laptop desk with a warning icon may symbolize the fear factor. Counterfeit markets and fake reviews can further complicate the issue. Data center servers and AI startup teams may be involved in the process. The security industry's use of fear-based marketing raises important questions. Security companies often use fear to drive sales and increase revenue streams. By framing risks in a particular way, they create a sense of urgency and uncertainty. This can lead consumers to make impulsive purchasing decisions without evidence. Recurring fees and subscription models also generate consistent income for companies. However, this may not always align with the consumer's best interests or needs. Fake reviews and counterfeit products can further complicate the market. Data center servers and AI startup teams may be involved in creating these products. Anonymous phone calls and warning icons can be used to create a sense of fear. Consumers should be aware of these tactics and make informed comparisons. Analyzing the evidence and considering multiple sources is crucial in making decisions. Hidden agendas and uncertain motives can be masked by clever marketing strategies. Informed consumers can protect themselves by being cautious of fear-based sales tactics. Security companies often use risk framing to create a sense of urgency. Uncertainty is a powerful tool in selling security products and services. Recurring fees are a common practice in the security industry, generating revenue. Evidence-based marketing is rare, as fear is a more effective sales driver. Informed comparison is key to making smart security purchasing decisions. Anonymous phone calls and fake online reviews can be misleading and deceptive. Dark and ominous marketing tactics can be overwhelming and frightening. Counterfeit security products are a real threat, compromising safety and security. Data centers and servers store sensitive information, requiring robust security. Startup teams and security experts work together to develop innovative solutions. Analysis of security company motives reveals a complex web of interests. By understanding these tactics, consumers can make more informed security choices. Security products often rely on risk framing to create a sense of urgency. Uncertainty about potential threats can lead to impulsive purchasing decisions. Recurring fees can generate significant revenue for security companies. Consumers may not fully understand the terms of their subscription contracts. Evidence supporting the effectiveness of security products can be lacking. Informed comparison of different security options is crucial for consumers. Fake reviews and counterfeit products can mislead potential buyers. Data centers storing sensitive information can be vulnerable to breaches. Startup companies may prioritize profit over product quality and security. Anonymous phone calls and warning icons can be used to instill fear. Analysis of security company motives reveals a complex interplay of interests. By examining the evidence and questioning uncertain claims, consumers can make informed decisions. Uncertainty can be a powerful motivator, leading to impulsive purchasing decisions. Recurring fees can add up quickly, making it essential to review contracts carefully. Evidence-based evaluations can help consumers make informed choices about security products. Comparing features and pricing models is crucial to avoiding manipulation. Fake reviews and counterfeit products can further complicate the decision-making process. Data centers and server racks store vast amounts of personal data, raising concerns. Startup teams develop new security solutions, but their motives may be unclear. Anonymous phone calls and warning icons can create a sense of fear and anxiety. Online marketplaces and warehouse shelves are filled with security products, making choices overwhelming. Analyzing the evidence and questioning uncertain claims can help consumers navigate this complex landscape. By taking a step back and evaluating the facts, individuals can make more informed decisions about their security needs. If you enjoyed this story, please like the video and subscribe for more.